Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. Getting in contact with you guys. Going to talk about SEI today. So let's just go ahead and look at this very quickly. Notice that the market cap is 1.9 billion. Notice that SEI is up pretty much 30% right now, and that is pretty awesome. Just saying. But anyways, whatever you see today is not financial advice. But at the same time, we do ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. We are growing. We want you to grow with us. Take a look at the all-time high here. According to what the all-time high for SEI is, like $1.14. From what we can see, that thing is going to blow through that after a while. So you're looking at least a 3 to 4x from here to get to the all-time high for SEI. Things are really starting to look up in, I can say, the crypto world. 7-day here, up about the same. Let's see, 1 month is up 68%. The 1 year, it is pretty much breaking even, which is why we know that SEI has a lot more room to run, guys. So keep that in mind. Just gonna let you know, not financial advice, but at the same time, it's just something that we see kind of right there in front of our face. So just a heads up on what we're dealing with here with SEI. Let's go ahead and start looking some more at information here. Look at the fact that Bitcoin is pretty much, how can I say, hugging these all-time highs. It's at 118,000 right now. Ethereum is over 3,000, so it's really looking up right now. Oh, XRP is starting to get in the mid to high twos, so maybe that's going to hit $3 in a little while. So maybe we'll start seeing some all-time highs for a lot of our different crypto at the moment. Just a heads up, guys. These things are rocking and oh wow, Hedera's at 20 cents already. Man, Hedera H bar. I'm just looking just randomly, but wow, amazing. Things are starting to look up. A lot of the cryptos we've been seeing sitting on in neutral are starting to take off. So guys, keep that in mind. A lot of you guys that have been investing and you've been waiting, well, guess what? The wait is not over, but you can be a little bit more patient now that you start to see a little bit of results, okay? So right here, Bitcoin dominance at 63.9%. Ethereum is at 9.9%. Now, the thing is, we definitely want to see this in the double digits as far as 10, way above 10 if we can. But we're getting there. We're finally getting there a little bit. SEI is what we've been talking about. Let's go to the X Twitter site for SEI. SEI is the fastest L1 blockchain high-performance rails for digital asset markets. So give me 1 second. My bad. Anyways, this thing is really rocking and rolling. So let's just keep that in mind. SEI, native USDC and CCTP. This is going to be V2 by Circle. Everybody knows that Circle's starting to get a lot into crypto. They're making a lot of money as well. Coming to SEI network, bringing the world's largest regulated stablecoin to the fastest L1 blockchain. The thing about SEI is that I noticed something. It is made by, it's a move language as far as like the actual blockchain, but I'm noticing that I don't really see anybody else trying to make the claim that they're the fastest anymore. There were other people and other networks, which I will not name, but they were saying, hey, we're the fastest, we're the fastest. And then after a while, SEI kept saying it, and then I don't see anybody else trying to say it. You know what I mean? So I know that they are on a roll. These guys are doing crypto like it's never been done before. I heard that their gaming is out of sight as far as the speed of their games. So a lot of great things are happening. Things are moving a lot faster on SEI, which is why SEI is picking up so much steam. This, I really feel, is going to be the crypto that's going to be like one of those game changers for the entire bull run. So if you haven't got into SEI yet, do not be surprised if you see SEI in like, you know, top 10, top 8, something like that. Where are they right now? I think they're in the top 12. Let me double check that again. No, oh, my bad. I'm way off. Way off. SEI is number 51. So listen, at least top 20, my bad. I'm sorry, guys. But I was thinking about another crypto, which I will not name since that is not that video. But I would not be surprised to see Say in the top 20. So that means this thing is gonna really probably jump over time. Definitely top 25, guys. Say has got like a ton of momentum, and this thing is gonna keep on moving forward. Just a heads up on that. Not financial advice, right? So just a heads up on what's happening with Say, AI, gaming, DeFi, payments, Circle, and Say, right? And so coming soon, a lot of great things we see, but social, yeah. So this is going to be crazy, really awesome as Say moves forward. Well, we got USDC, and so payment system. Yeah, this is going to be crazy with the payment system as well. So just a heads up on that. Moving now, Say as we see on the, let's see, fastest parallel blockchain. So giving us the information that we need to see here. What is this right here? Time to quantify. Finality. Not very. Wow, that's certain milliseconds, I believe. So finality is very quick. Let's see. Megagits per second, 100. Wow, it's crazy. And transactions 3+ billion, supported by elite global institutions. Once again, we see Circle right at the top here. So, and then we have Coinbase. We have several other ones as well. And so this is going to be very strong. Redefining high-speed blockchain technology. I think we might have looked into the ecosystem already. I can't remember. I may just click that just for a moment so we can get an idea of all the different ecosystems that we're working with. Yeah, so I mean, this is a ton of information that we can see here. Let me go into some of this if I can. Give you guys some ideas. We're looking at Binance Wallet. What's this? Bidget. We got several little items. Block Native. Move a little further. Coinbase custody. So it's like a lot of heavy hitters, a lot of winners in here as far as the ecosystem. Let's give that a heads up. Let's go to the one of the charts we may have here. This is a nice little chart. This is a 6-month chart for Say. So just giving you a heads up on what's going on here. Say was up here. What was that? Around pretty much at the beginning of the year, Say was way up. Looks like it was about at least 40 cents here or so. 40 something. It was like 42, something like that. 42.72. Now what's happened is it retraced down for a little while. I think a lot of the craziness we've been having going on in the world has kind of slowed down the market. But that's cool because of the fact that gives some of us a little bit more time to DCA, get in there and get the job done. Now that things are really turning around, listen, we haven't even had a drop in interest rates yet. And things are looking very, very good. So I want you guys to keep in mind that we're just really getting started. So I have no idea how high things are going to go, but they're going to go higher than, like I said, not financial advice, but they're going to go higher than they've been in forever. So just saying, so a lot of these all-time highs are going to be shattered, just the way we're shattering Bitcoin's all-time high on a regular basis now. So, but just a heads up, when these altcoins go up and their all-time highs are shattered, it's going to be so much more powerful. So keep this in mind. You're going to see some 10x's, 12x's, 20x's, 25x's, etc. So keep all that in mind and just, how can I say, get your popcorn ready. I tell you what, get your profits ready. How about that? Sounds like a plan. Let's keep it moving here a little bit. Just showing you right now that as the market traces, we're actually right here, okay? So we're in the green at this moment, and from what I can see, we're going to be popping up this way, up and to the right. I won't really try to go into too many patterns right now, but just a little bit of a heads up. Kind of see an inverse head and shoulders pattern to a certain extent, but let me keep it moving. Let you know that things are going pretty well right now. Let's see what else we've got. Say price rockets above 30 cents. Charts flash major bullish signal. So just to give you a heads up right here, this is from what, CCN. So just a heads up on that. A lot of great things that are going on. Say reclaims key support. So right here is concerning the 0.255 horizontal area, acted as support and resistance. So in other words, it's going above that line. We're seeing some great things happen, and we're going to see SEI rise even more. So heads up on that. Keep your eyes open. Remember, it was only a few days ago or a few weeks ago that this coin was at 15 cents, and I was telling you guys, hey, buy this before it gets to 20. Remember I was saying that? But anyway, some of you might, but if you don't, remember, just a heads up, we've been keeping track of this. Heads up. Now, right here, we got another one from crypto.news, and the information here reads that SEI targets 55% rally as native USD support sparks inverse. I just said inverse head and shoulders breakout, didn't I? Well, doggone it. I didn't even know it. Somebody's reading the same thing I'm reading. That's beautiful. Well, I mean, reading the graph. You know what I mean? Reading the graph. Well, I'm just saying. My bad. So right here it says SEI is showing renewed strength after confirming a breakout from an inverse head and shoulders pattern. According to data from crypto.news, SEI surged over 26% on July 11th to reach a 6-month high of 33 cents before settling, etc. So, guys, we know what's up. And let me go back to that inverse head and shoulders pattern that I was just talking about. Here it is right here. And remember I was saying, let me just for the heck of it, remember I was saying, I'm going to just go ahead and draw a little bit, go with a light green. We're going this way. We're going like this. And as you see that line here, right? Okay. So I'm just saying it's going this way. It's not going to go straight up. You know what I mean? It's going to go kind of like this way. My bad. I don't want to make it look like it's going straight up, but heads up on head and shoulders. Interesting. Not financial advice, but just kind of what you see is what you're getting. So, guys, just a heads up on that. SEI is going to keep rocking and rolling. Let me get back to the side on this, and let me see if I can clear that drawing right there. But SEI is going to keep rocking and rolling. It is now at almost 35 cents, and it's up over 30% for the day. And we're just getting started. So look out. Here it comes. Just be prepared. And you can still get in this because of the fact that it's way far away from the all-time high. From what I can see, you're going to at least 3x your money sometime soon because it's definitely going to the all-time high, but it's probably going to go way past that. Expect SEI to be one of the biggest cryptos of this bull run market. So you guys have a great one. Congratulations if you're in SEI. If you're not in SEI, think about it. Might be a good plan. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.